Me and my mom is literally about to be like, cheers. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't shopped in the Dollar Tree in like a few months and I needed to get some things, and I was watching a few other Dollar Tree hauls and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know Dollar Tree had those. So I just had to go to Dollar Tree in general and just pick up some items that I needed. Let me know in the comments what you guys usually shop for when you shop at Dollar Tree. Do you guys shop for the snacks or the food, makeup? And if I seem a little bit off in this video, I am so sorry. Like, it's been maybe a week or 2 weeks since I filmed, or maybe I'm just overthinking it, I don't know. So I'm gonna start off with some beauty items, and the first beauty item that I have is this mirror. And I know I already have a mirror, but the thing is, the mirror is pink, and sometimes when I record it kind of throws the lighting off, and it's just, no, it's better for me to get a black mirror. And the black mirror that I did show you guys in one of my makeup tutorials, or a few of my makeup tutorials, they're for the bathroom, and I don't have time to keep going in and out and doing all that, so I just decided just to get my own mirror. And of course it was only $1.25. Honestly, at this point, Dollar Tree needs to make their store a $1.25 tree or something, because it's not even $1 anymore. It's low-key not hitting the same, but then again it is, because I noticed they're kind of upgrading their stuff. It's been like that for a minute now, but kind of not complaining. But then I'm like, it is what it is. And it's a decent size. It's not too small nor is too big, so this will be perfect for makeup tutorials. And this next item right here has been trending on TikTok and Instagram, or just in the makeup community in general. I've been seeing this around for a minute now, and I'm like, okay, let me just pick it up. And thank God they had it at my Dollar Tree. Sorry if it keeps touching my hair. Like, every time I have a ponytail, like, I just cannot help to touch it because my natural hair is not this long. Thank God that they have this at my Dollar Tree. It's the LA Colors Powder Blush, and it's a velvety finish type blush. Highlights cheeks, and it's in the shade Sweet Cheeks. And this is the perfect Barbie pink. This could be a dupe for a high-end product or a drugstore product, because keep in mind, this is only $1.25, and it has that velvety finish to it. Like, I cannot wait to try this. I can already tell that this is gonna look so good on my cheeks, and I can tell too that it's very pigmented. And actually, what's on this? Yeah, I could tell this is gonna be very pigmented. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I don't want to open it yet because I think I want to do a TikTok or a reel with it. So yeah, this is how it looks if you guys want to screenshot it or something. Silky Smooth Blush adds a touch of color that stays true for hours. Used to contour, color, and highlight cheeks beautifully. Then for some hygiene products, I did pick up a oral care kit, and I did get this before, but the thing is, I lost this tool. Yeah, I lost this tool right here, and I cannot find it. So this is only $1.25, so I might as well just pick up another one. I like using this toothbrush for cleaning my shoes, and I can't even find this either. And this I tried once, but maybe I'm gonna try it again. I'm not really a fan of tongue scrapers. I definitely prefer using a toothbrush so it can like really get into every little part of my tongue, instead of just swooshing it out with a tongue scraper. I don't know, maybe I just need to get a higher quality one, or just try this one out again. I'm not sure. I also had to get this too because I do have a root canal, temporary root canal filling still in my tooth. And I know I talked about this some months ago, but look, so many things have been happening and I just cannot keep up. So I'm just trying my best to take care of my teeth, and I know this would help so I can like look back at the back tooth right here. I need to get that extracted too, and it's gonna be good for me once I get that extracted, so I can make sure that there's no food or anything that's getting stuck up there, because that can cause pain and other issues, and I don't got time for that. And also I need to get these two, well, three, pulled out two eventually. See, it's too much. Like, I did not know that I would have to go through this in my life. Nobody ain't tell me. I recently found out that my mom got hers pulled out, and I'm just like, wow. All this time I'm thinking I need to keep all my teeth except my wisdom teeth, but now I need to get these second molars pulled out. I don't know, let me know y'all experience, because I swear, like, I'm honestly paranoid about that, and I need to get scheduled too and get checked. It's been a whole process, but yeah, that's why I had to get these. And speaking of oral care, hygiene, whatever, I had to get me some floss. I already had a bag of these. Either my mom used them all or I accidentally threw them away. I honestly do not even know. All I know is that I have to get these because when I have nails on, it's so hard for me to like use the regular floss and like go back to my teeth because my nails be in the way or too long. So using this actually works way better, and I actually used these before too. I honestly don't know why I wasn't really a fan of these at one point. I'm just glad that I'm actually gonna get hip to these, and I believe these are flavored and they come with 60 of them. I think these are like a minty, and there was another one that was like a peppermint. These are how they look. Okay, so now for some office stuff, I do have these binder clips, and I needed the jumbo ones, and I just need to start organizing everything, and these are just gonna work way better for me instead of using the normal looking paper clips. I think I tried these out before too, so they work pretty decent. Actually, let me talk about this. So while I was looking for whatever I was looking for, I had found this pray continually, 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 17 scripture notepad or notebook, and I'm so glad that I found this because recently my dad had passed away, and see this, I don't know why I mentioned, like, I cannot like stop talking about it. It's like really crazy to me. Usually I can hold it in whenever I'm like frustrated or like irritated, but the reason why I had got this because I felt like it was a sign from the Lord to continue praying no matter what goes on in my life, whether it's good or bad, because sometimes I can slack on praying, and this literally hit me in the face, and I just feel like I had to get it. So this is what it looks like inside. They all look the same, but I'm just glad that I was able to get this. And there was other prayer stuff like this too, but this really stuck out to me, and it kind of matches what I have already going on with my prayer notebook that also has flowers, and my Bible that kind of looks like it has flowers with it. So matches the theme, and this is a good idea for me to have because sometimes I be forgetting like really good important prayers, and also I be having dreams too, and I need to write down my dreams in here. It's sparkly and it's pink, and you guys know I love really nice sparkly, shiny, blingy, and it's baby pink. Literally the perfect combination. Just got this wide rolled one because I tried finding a one that was like regular looking, but I believe this is fine because I sometimes write big anyway. With that, I did get a gold looking notebook, or gold yellowish looking notebook. I mainly looked at this because I feel like these two like this will be so cute, and as you can see, it's looking so cute and fashionable. It's kind of like the same thing, a little bit wide rolled. Most likely I'm not going to use all of this paper. I did get some gel pens, and I wish they had a glitter kind. Comes with red, orange, pink, purple, violet, green, black, and a dark blue. And actually, let me open these, and I kind of want to write something to see how thick the gel is. So I'm gonna use these black. These are how they look. They look pretty nice. Then this is how that looks. Ooh, it locks in like that, so it's not gonna fall off easily. So I'm just gonna put hi. Oh, okay. It rates pretty decent, and I did it on a cardboard, so yeah, that's how that looks. It's not too thick because sometimes when it's looking too thick, it's gonna be runny, and I'm not trying to, no. I believe these were definitely worth $1.25. put that back and save that. The last bag I have to show you guys, I did go into the home section area because when I go to Dollar Tree or just any place, I literally look everywhere. Sometimes even the pet section, and I don't even have a pet. I forgot I had this. Ooh, let me see. Associate Appreciation Day. 10% off your entire purchase of $10 or more. It's at the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar. Okay. I found these cute glass cups at the Dollar Tree, and I had seen some other cups that look the same, or maybe they were a little bit different. I don't know, but from what I seen, there were only 2 left, and I had got these cups, and these look so bougie. It looks like something that you'll see at TJ Maxx or Target, Amazon, but these were only $1.25. And I had got 2 for me and my mother. I know she'll want this cup, so I had to get 2 of these, and I just love the way they look though. Like, just imagine putting some coffee in here, or some matcha, or some tea. Oh my gosh, like I can imagine so much with this. And put some nice cute ice cubes in here, give it a whole aesthetic look. Like, my voice is getting raspy. I just had to get this. It's so cute and just aesthetically pleasing. It's really the aesthetic for me. Then lastly, I had got this glass bowl, and it's not just any glass bowl, it's a marble glass bowl, and I had already used this because I had some soup that I got from Panera, or did I get it from Panera or Bob Evans? One of those places. I had got some soup and it was so good, and it came with plastic, but I don't think you can microwave the plastic, so I dumped it in here. And this is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Just look at this though. And you guys, do not mind my nails. Like, September has not been my month, I promise y'all. I just love this marble aesthetic. And speaking of marble aesthetic, the tray that I have is literally marble, so it's matching pretty decent. But this is a really nice bowl, really good quality. I did bump it a few times accidentally. It didn't crack. Microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and it's just really a whole vibe. Like, imagine having these 2 and doing like some nice aesthetically pleasing picture. Like, it's really a whole vibe. So next time when I go to the Dollar Tree, I'm definitely going to be picking up another one of these, so me and my mom could be twinning instead of just twinning with the glass cups that I got. Oh man, I should have got a different cup because I realized there was some like leftover glass or something stuck on the cup. I don't know if you guys could see it, but when you guys are going to the Dollar Tree to get some glass or home decor stuff, make sure you guys look at everything to make sure everything's on point. Do not just grab it and throw it in your cart, because sometimes some things can be a little bit off. Me and my mom is literally about to be like, cheers. So I hope you guys enjoy this Dollar Tree haul with home decor, fashion, beauty. Well, it was no fashion, it was hygiene, beauty, office supplies. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.